and a warm welcome to everyone. Today I will discuss the unbiased review of Lapiger.com. So friends, we will analyze Lapiger reviews in this video. Whether Lapiger.com is a legit site or a possible scam, we will get to know through this video. This video is totally unbiased and it is not our website. Our only motive of this video is to make people aware about various online sites. So let's move ahead at the home page. So you can see in the best selling section they have various plants. You can get it at extremely exclusive prices. They have assorted cactus, they have deal ray plants and many more. Apart from that, they also have new arrivals like Best Choice Products Folding Utility Cargo Wagon Cart, Garden Star Dual Wheel Poly Tray, Yard Rover Wheelbarrow. You can have a look, and many more. If you click onto its categories, it has strollers, oral care products, nursing and feeding, outdoor games. So apart from the bestsellers and arrivals, you can get many more products, and the prices are very low. You know that the outdoor cart and the wagon cart is very much expensive, but they are only for $59 or $39, which is quite low prices. Looking at the contact us page, they have mentioned their address. It's based in United States, their phone number and the email ID, which is contact@lapiger.com. Then if you look on to the shipping policy, they offer free shipping and you require 3 to 5 working days for that. And in case you are not satisfied with the product, if you want to return the product, their return policy lasts 30 days they have given. If 30 days have gone by since your purchase, then you can't offer a refund or exchange. So within 30 days you have to claim that you want to return the product. So they have various social media pages as well. Let's go on to the recent posts. So let's check what the recent post has to say. Friends, you can see as the recent post has a dummy language, and if you click onto the comments as well is a dummy language. The comments are not updated, or there is something wrong in the comment by the customer, which makes the website quite suspicious. So I try to look at the catalog of the website first. As you can see, if you look at the catalog, it seems that it sells plants and various garden plants, but this website has much more products to offer you, and I have already mentioned that it has many other products. If you go into the product section, I was really curious that why all these products are so cheap. So I tried to click on its few social media pages and wanted to find out what people had to say about this website. And if you click onto the social media pages, they get redirected back to the home page, and it indicates that it have fake social icons, and it does not even have the genuine address. If you look at the address, it is a copied address from somewhere, which is very much negative sign regarding the website. Also, the customers it is displaying, they seem fake, because the domain lapiger.com is created only 13 days ago. Thus, this online site is too recent to be trusted. So the information on the website is not appropriate, and also the prices of each and every product is too good to be true. I would surely not suggest anyone to spend money on this website, as it looks like a scam. So friends, if you have any suggestions, experiences or comments regarding this website, you can mention it in the comment box as well. Also, do subscribe the channel to protect yourself from increasing fraudulency of various online sites nowadays. Do like the video and share it too. Thank you very much and have a great day.